There's still 2 left. 3 left actually. The next one. Are you done with the previous one? Okay.
Done.
Which letter is this?
Proceed.
Okay. Done? Okay, let's move on then. Done? Yes, the last one of round 2. Okay, fine then. Done. So we have come to the end of round 2. How was it? So basically there were 20 slides excluding the first one. 10 pairs of opposites, all the opposites covered. I've covered all the opposites that I've given you in the vocabulary list. Okay. So are you ready for round 3? Or do you need a break? Okay. Masculine to feminine and opposites. Okay? It's a mixture of both. Round 1 and round 2. Change the gender of mubtada and change the khabar to its opposite. Any doubts?
If we are changing it to feminine, we need to change the opposite feminine.
Exactly. So because we
Opposite as well as feminine.
exactly. So basically because we are changing the gender of mubtada, the gender of khabar automatically changes. Okay, so it's a combination of both. What?
Again 20?
Yes, again 20. Okay, yes, again 20. So masculine to feminine and opposites, a combination of both. Let's see how well you can do this. And most of them are actually, I think, repeated.
Okay, this is the first.
Yup, this is the first one. So change the gender of the mubtada and change the khabar to its opposite, while applying the rule of feminine to khabar as well. Okay, don't forget that. Done? Okay. Yes, the next one. Okay.
How do you change?
Okay, what is the... Yes, the feminine... Nazifa. An-nafiza, sorry. An-nafiza, yes. An-nafiza to? The opposite. Don't forget to change the opposite as well, okay?
Nafidatu, Dwal or Zwak?
Zal. After dal, zal, that one. Okay, nafidatu, an-nafidatu. Sister, were you able to figure out the spelling?
Yeah.
An-nafidha, zal, dal, zal, an-nafidatu. Okay, fine. And the opposite of this. Done?
Yeah.
Okay, for the next one, you need to know another term. I think I mentioned it in this. Just a minute. It comes in. Yes, it's mentioned in the 5th chapter. You can refer to this. Do you know what haqiba means? Haqibatun.
Yeah, bad.
Yes, exactly. That you need to use that for this one. Okay. So basically, you need to put al-haqibatu.
But that is not the opposite.
I know, but feminine, yani. Feminine noun in place of this and the opposite of this.
Kalamu is feminine.
Huh?
Kamu is what?
Qalamun is masculine or feminine? Masculine. We need to change the gender of mubtada. So that's why I'm saying.
What do you call pencil?
What?
Pencil, what do you call?
Actually, both mean the same. Qalam for pen and pencil. But for pen we use qalamul hibr. Hibr yani ink pen. Qalamul risas yani that's pencil. Qalamul risas. So that's like to specify pen and pencil we use qalamul hibr and qalamul risas. But it's okay, you don't need to bother about those terms. For now, to change the gender of this particular mubtada, what you do is you use the term for the handbag. What is it?
Done.
You just told me. What is it? Haqiba. Yes. Al-haqibatu. Al-haqibatu. Ha. Okay. Ha. Al-haqibatu. Done. And don't forget to change the. Okay. With the application of the noun, the rule for feminine. MashaAllah. See, I need to remind you. Okay, sister. I hope you are changing it to opposite and applying the feminine rule as well. Okay, fine. Let's move on.
The first one I did right. Yes.
Fine. We'll move on.
Yes.
All right then. Let's move on. The next one.
Done.
Done. Let's see. MashaAllah. Subhanallah. Good. Were you able to figure it out? Good. Shall we move to the next one? The next one. Okay. Do you remember the... Yes. Ad-dajajatu. You can refer to the spelling in the previous page or I can tell you right now. Alif, Lam, Dal, Jim, Alif, Jim and Golta.
Done.
Done? Fine. The next one.
Done.
Done? The next one. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, fine. The next one. Okay, here you know which one to use?
Yes.
Okay, good. I'm glad you know the couples now. Which one would you use?
This is perfect.
Huh? Exactly. Which one? Exactly.
Done.
Let's move on. Okay, let's move on.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, for this one, you can use the one for handbag.
What? Acha.
Handbag, bhai. No,
So it is what?
it's masculine. All are masculine. See, the point being that I need you to use what do you say, the mubtada, which is feminine. So something which is an object which can be,
Replaced.
yes, which can be replaced in this particular sentence. Did you come to know which one to write? Okay, fine. Do you remember the yes? Wait. Done? The next one. Do you remember which feminine noun should come here? Coffee. For coffee. It's a feminine drink, yani. Do you remember the spelling?
Yes.
The qaf of Quran, then the small ha, not the ha, and waw and golta. Done? The next one. Simple. Use any of the two feminine buildings. You can use the word for Jamia as well. Sorry, university as well. Sorry. The word for university as well. Okay.
Done.
Okay. Done. Done. Okay, the next one. Simple. Okay, here you use the other building, okay? The one you didn't use. Here you use the other building. We have the word for school and the word for university. Do you know the word for university?
Yes.
Okay. Which one?
Jamia to
Jeem. No. Jeem alif ain. Wait, Jami. Sorry. Jami. Sorry. Jeem alif mim ain golta. Jeem alif mim ain golta. Done?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, for the next one again you have to use coffee. Okay, because that's the only thing we know from the feminine gender. Yes.
Which are the other drinks? Feminine.
I should actually look into it. I don't know. Asir. We say asir for juice. Asir. Okay.
Ain Swad Ra.
Yes. Asir. Okay.
Ain Swad Yara.
Yara. Yes. Asirul burtaqali and so on and so forth. Orange juice and so on. Okay. Done. Okay. So. Wasn't important? Okay, fine. Fine. This is done?
Yeah.
Done? Alright, the next one. Okay, again you use the word for coffee. Done, mashallah. Are you not well? You have sardi.
That's proper.
Done? Okay. The next one. Okay, for this again you use handbag, okay? Simple, handbag. Again, in place of kitab, you use handbag, the word for handbag. Done? Yeah. Okay, here you use the word for hand. You use the word for hand in place of al-qamisu. Done? The next one. Simple, right?
Yes. Generally that khabar doesn't go with the answer of this.
Oh, okay. Is it so?
Rajis are always winning.
In this case, acha. Yeah, it doesn't actually make sense.
5 more.
Yes, 5 more. Yes, 5 more. Done? Okay. The next one. Any of the buildings? Any of the 2 buildings?
Done.
Are you ready? Yes. Shall we move on? Yes, the next one.
Done.
Done.
Again, people.
You can use the word for watch. Use the word for watch, not haqiba, okay? Use the word for watch. Done? Yes. The next one. Use the word for window.
Done.
Done. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, this is the last one, okay? Okay, fine. Huh? No, not building, not building. The window, yes. Use the word for window. Halangi, even that is correct, but it's better you use for window. Okay? Done? The next one and the last one, that is.
Done.
Okay. Seventh lesson now. Okay? I'm serious. It will just take about 10 minutes, I guess. Okay? You had to go somewhere?
Nothing as such.
And then? It was your mistake you didn't come yesterday. All this had to be covered yesterday, by the way, okay? And today I had to cover the 8th lesson. I cannot keep postponing it, nah. See, we started 6th lesson last week, and now 2 classes have gone, and we still haven't. We've just finished 6th lesson, right? And 7th is very easy, just one extra word, which is. Do you know? Okay, it's okay. Done. Okay, with that we have come to the end of round 3. How was the exercise? How were the series of exercises? It was good, huh? So inshallah, I hope that you will remember this.
Inshallah.
Okay, you will remember the opposites and how to convert masculine to feminine. With that, we'll quickly before that. Not this. Before that, we'll quickly go through. Yes. The only thing that we'll be learning in the 7th chapter is one extra word apart from the vocabulary.
Lemon.
No. Oops. Okay. We know this. Hua hiya.
Yeah.
We know anta anti.
Yes.
What's the word for that?
Zalika.
Fine. Just a minute. Yes, you can do that. It will take another 15 minutes maximum. Maximum 15 minutes it will take. Or less than that actually, less than that. What is the word?
Zalika.
And that is masculine or feminine?
Zalika. That depends on the context, right?
No.
Zalika. Hua. That.
Okay. Do you remember the term for that? The word for that? Valika. And what is its gender? Do you know? The first 2 chapters. First chapter we learnt Hada. Second chapter we learnt Zalika. And I've mentioned it to you. I've mentioned to you that the first 3 chapters were only first 3. Yes, 4th chapter we got the first feminine noun. The first 3 chapters only masculine nouns. So dhalika is
Masculine.
masculine. So in the 7th chapter we'll be learning the feminine form of
Zalika.
dhalika, which is tilka. Dhalika, that for masculine nouns. Tilka, that for feminine nouns. Simple. Only one extra word, that's it. Okay? So that's why I wanted to finish this today itself, because it's as simple as that. Okay? Any doubts here? As simple as dhalika, tilka. And if you remember, we finished the first 2 chapters in first class. Because the 2nd chapter, the only thing that we learn extra is dhalika. And here, the only thing that we learn extra is tilka, apart from the vocabulary. Fine. Now what we'll do is we'll quickly go through the 7th lesson. And by the way, I actually had another activity which I have to leave out for. Seriously, I'm not kidding.
Back after dinner.
No, we'll possessive cases from the Quran. Possessive cases from the Quran.
Be very interesting, I think.
Yes. But क्या करें अभी it took quite a.
I'm okay tomorrow if sister will come. If you are okay, sister is okay then.
What time? We'll discuss that later. For now, we'll finish this. So this is the only thing we'll learn. Okay? Tilka that. Okay? Okay. Yes. Simple. So demonstrative pronouns. Okay? Till now we have learned for male. Hada Muhammadun, Dhalika Hamidun. And if you notice, like these are known as demonstrative pronouns in English.
Here is fine.
Demonstrative, if it is something near in distance or time, it is referred to as like with this or hada, and hadihi for feminine. If it is far in distance or time, we refer to it as dhalika, tilka. Any doubts here? As simple as that. Okay. So you need to remember these pairs: hada, hadihi, dhalika, tilka.
Now we can also say here Zainab.
What?
Here.
Yeah, we can.
So here and tilka both are same.
We can say that is.
Here is for the apple.
No. See, it can mean both are same. We can say that is Zainab, or we can say she is Zainab. Simple.
I said here, she is that. Yeah.
She and that, it's one and the same. Okay, you can use either way. Both mean the same. Only difference is we say this is Zainab, and then we say she is Zainab. Okay, the next one. This is what it starts off as. Okay. Amina too, okay? Woman tilka. So all the rules apply to tilka as well. Simple, okay? As we used hada and dhalika and hadihi, tilka also, it can be used to point at someone and say this particular girl is her name is this. Okay? Yes. What does mumarrida mean? Okay, I hope you nurse, female nurse. Okay, so tabiba means
Doctor.
what kind of doctor?
Lady doctor.
Female doctor, lady doctor. Okay, just a minute. Fine. So then, female doctor, female nurse. Okay. So it's simple. This person, this person, that's understood. This person is from India. That person is from Japan. Simple, okay? Yes. Do you remember these terms?
Yes.
You have written them for the past 1 hour or so. Okay. So because we are referring to a guy, we say hada. Okay? Simple, okay? Oops, sorry. Actually, this was not supposed to be like this. So basically, atilka dajajatun.
La. Tilka batafun.
Tilka. Okay. New word is Battatun. Battatun.
Oh, battatun.
Okay, it's battatun. We use it to refer to a duck or swan. Okay, battatun.
Urdu we say batakh.
لا تلك بطة.
Battatun. Okay, yes, batakh. Okay, another new word. Baydatun. Baydatun means egg. Baydatun, and it is feminine.
Yeah.
Feminine.
ما تلك بيضة. هذه سيارة المدرس.
No.
Okay.
تلك سيارة المدير.
Okay. It's been some time since we had any conversation drill, right? Yes, inshallah we'll have it in the next class.
ساعة حامد. تلك ساعة عباس.
Sorry, Hadi is missing in the audio. Hadihi sa'atu Hamidin wa tilka sa'atu Abbasin. Simple. This is Hamid's watch and that is Abbas' watch. Any doubts? Very simple. Just one new word we have learnt so far. That is tilka.
ذلك ديك
Yes.
وتلك دجاجة.
Remember this couple, okay? Dhalika dikun wa tilka dajajatun. That is a rooster and that is a dajajatun, which is hen. Okay, the new words that we've learnt. Okay,
الناقة.
this particular term, have you heard it before?
Naqatun. Camel is known as something Jamal, na?
She camel.
What's a she camel is?
She camel is known as
Naqa.
An-Naqatun. Have you heard this term before anywhere?
Naqatun. Maybe some ayat.
Wait. Exactly. Where? Yes. This particular word is used a lot in the Quran. In the story of one of the prophets. I'll mention it to you, inshallah.
Hazrat Isa alayhi salam.
No.
Hazrat Isa और Musa.
No.
उन्होंने से कि जब वो पहाड़ के ऊपर एक
Exactly, yes.
pregnant is.
So yes, that's the one. So what happens is, I'll tell you the ayah. فقال لهم رسول الله ناقة الله وسقياها.
So this is Naqat.
ناقة الله, the she camel of ناقة الله. What is it? What does ناقة الله mean? ناقة الله mean?
Allah's camel.
And what is it? Possessive case. Okay, that's what I wanted to mention, but inshallah next class. Okay, yes, and that is one of the ayah, by the way, of that activity. Okay,
البيضة.
we learned this term as well.
البطة. المؤذن.
The one who gives the adhan, al-mu'adhdhinu, new word. Okay,
الممرضة.
nurse.
الدجاجة. الحديقة.
Oh my God, this is loud. Al-hadiqatu. So with that being said, we have come to the end of the text part of the lesson, and I think we better stop at this.